You're probably wondering why am I losing 2-4. So I will be telling you about the whole video. Let's start by the beginning. So then I picked the sandbox at the subway and I put my trusty loadout. And then I saw level 3 on my team. But I thought it was fine until this happened. Just watch until the end of the video. Okay, so there we see. And there we see me, I'm hacking and my teammate died. It's 140, so it's gonna be a problem. But I think I'll still win. So I went up and used the site again. I went for the black dude, but someone else was shooting me, and it was the same dude. But I died, and it's supposed to be 115 feet. But that can't be 151 feet. So I went up again, and then I shoot him. I shoot him in the head. So then I don't shoot him in the head at all. But if you want to see the whole video, then come, then watch the